Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be tearing apart the Coyote. Went ahead and finally got it out last weekend. Literally this trans just slid out, popped the engine out, we were good to go. So today now we're going to go ahead and take off pretty much all this front stuff. The front cover, we're going to get the oil pump gears out, see how bad they are, and then yeah, go from there. If it's the oil pump gears, boom, there we go. I'm getting a new engine anyway, but I just want to see what exactly is wrong with this one, just for, just so I know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it all torn apart, and then I'll film what we find. Alright, so we got the covers off. Cams look pretty good. That one looks pretty good. So upper part, no damage, which that's usually a telltale sign of oil pump gear failure, so I guess that's a good thing. Some of the spark plugs had oil on them. Let's see. These all look pretty good. These two were the front two on that side, so it's going to be the front two on the passenger side. They had oil on them, so don't know. We'll tear into the front end, get the front end of the engine off, get the oil pump gears looked at, and then after that we'll take the heads off and see if there's anything in the block. Alright, so it's been a couple days because we got all the accessories off and we ran into a trouble taking the balancer off. And I went to AutoZone to get this tool. Wasn't the right tool, needed one of them. So if you notice, this has like a claw bit looking thing, and the one I got from AutoZone has bolts that you go into the block and then take the balancer off. There are no holes to put bolts. It's, if you notice, see, it's just you clap it on there and then the bolt goes through the middle and pushes it out right there. So finally got the balancer off. Now we can take the front cover off and we'll see how bad them oil pump gears are. Alright, so we finally got the front cover off. Damn, them fucking chains are tight as shit. Well, I guess that's good. No play in it, so I didn't fuck up the chains. Alrighty, so we got a lot done. The last time we had to get a special S tool to turn the crank, so got all the chains off. We got the cams out; they're all in the back of the Escort, and then we got this side of the head off. Oh, there they are. The head's in the back of the Escort because when we first started taking off the cams, Jacob noticed that all of this. Well, when we looked down, it looked like it was valves touching piston on this side. But can't really see at the light except for this one, but they don't look bad. So, and the heads look fine. The heads look perfect. There's no bent valves or anything like that, because when we were turning it over, we were hearing, a crunching noise. So all of that looks good. So we're gonna take a quick break and then come back, do that side, take that head off, and then if we're good, should be light enough that we can turn it over. So, yeah. Alright, so it's nighttime here already, so I went ahead and shut everything all down. But this side turned out pretty good. No kind of chips or anything like that. A lot of carbon buildup. Oh shit, get out of here, June bug. A lot of carbon buildup, but other than that, I don't really see anything. So, get the hell out of here. So, yeah. Looking pretty good. Hopefully I'll have a built block coming in, and we can put my good heads on it. The heads look perfect. There ain't nothing wrong. No chips in the valves. No nothing like piston slapping anything. So yeah. Especially, let's see where the moon's at. I don't know where the moon is at. Last night it was bright as hell. But yes, we'll Guess I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so this is the next day. I was looking over some of the footage, and there was some stuff that I didn't cover in the video. Either I didn't video it or whatever, so I just wanted to, make a video now about those things. First things first, the clutch looks brand new. There's no chunks taken out of the clutch disc or anything. The flywheel has some heat spots, but that's normal. The oil pump gears look good. We weren't able to take the oil pump apart because we stripped out 2 screws. So, but you can still see, you can turn the oil pump, and there's this little hole that you can see the gears in, and there's no cracks. So that's good. So yeah, I just wanted to put this extra part at the end just to go over those things. So yeah.